Hello everyone, I am Prakash, branch first year ECE. Startup company name is GOAT. Our product present name Smart Market. Product proposer name eMart. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Delivery of your lifestyle, grocery items, and basic needs within the promised time. Helping you quickly navigate the store and easily locate the items you want. Define based on empathizing state and consider the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the exciting product. Exciting product name Smart Market. Frustrating product name eMart. IDT. Some of the additional features to be added mentioned here: the modern electricity market, AI powered customization, relevant and time bound modern design. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below as a EMART. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. And thank you.